In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a to-do checklist in Slack without a third-party app. If you want to manage tasks directly inside Slack, the good news is you can do it using Slack's built-in tools. That means no extra apps, no outside subscriptions, and no need to send your task data anywhere else. There are two simple ways to do this: quick inline checklists for fast moving conversations, and Slack Canvas checklists for longer term tracking. Let's start with inline checklists, which are perfect when you want to drop a task list right into a channel or direct message thread. First, open Slack on your desktop app or in your web browser. Then go to the conversation where you want the checklist to live and click in the message box at the bottom. If you don't see the formatting toolbar, open it by clicking the AA icon so the text options are visible. Next, click the checklist icon in the toolbar. It looks like a small checkbox with a check mark. If you want to move faster, you can also use the keyboard shortcut, Control, Shift, and 7 on Windows, or Command, Shift, and 7 on Mac. As soon as you do that, a blank checkbox line will appear in the message field. Now type your first task. When you press enter, Slack automatically creates another checklist line underneath it. Type the next task, press enter again, and keep going until your full list is written out. When you're done, press enter on an empty line or click the send button to post the checklist into the conversation. Once it's posted, anyone in the conversation can use it live. To mark a task complete, just click the checkbox next to that item. Slack will instantly update it with a check mark and strike through the text, making it very easy to see what's done and what still needs attention. For ongoing projects, Slack Canvas is the better option because regular messages eventually get pushed up by new conversation. To create a persistent checklist, open the channel you want. Then go to the top right corner and click the canvas icon. A blank canvas will open beside the chat. Click into the canvas and type a /. This opens the component menu. From there, choose checklist. Then start typing your tasks one line at a